Girl, when I spin, she don't agree. So we just start to the dates. I'm done the plan do something this week Friday. Yeah, we done the plan knack.
She what?
Me done the ready myself.
This is playing.
Yesterday, that come here say she don't give her life to Christ. Now, yeah, uncle first catch me. I say, wait, my even confirm first. If you don't give her life to Christ, mostly they run those kind of things.
Right backbone.
I call ask her. But first, I first tell her, say, giving your life to Christ is a good thing, no. We hope so you know affect our business on Friday. And she say, you affect, that she's no longer will be watched, she's down of Christ, she has given her life to Christ. That she will no longer be involved in those promiscuous activities anymore. That we can still have a godly relationship, like reading the Bible together, studying the Word of God together, and worshiping God together. She's now of Christ. She has not given her life to Christ. Hey. But Christ, why? That girl no be virgin, no. Eh? When you reach my own turn to have another time, you know say you want her. No wala na. Christ, no wala. Take everything. Take everything.
You go cry.
But you said no, so my mind I take give you.